Curly pixie cuts for women have emerged as a stylish and versatile choice, offering a bold and confident look while embracing natural texture. This short hairstyle showcases tight curls or waves, framing the face with effortless charm and personality. The curly pixie cut is celebrated for its ability to enhance facial features, drawing attention to the eyes, cheekbones, and jawline. This haircut is particularly popular among women seeking a low-maintenance yet fashionable option that exudes a sense of individuality and flair. One of the key advantages of curly pixie cuts is their adaptability to various hair types and face shapes. Whether you have naturally curly hair or opt for a perm, this cut can be tailored to suit your unique features and preferences. Additionally, curly pixie cuts offer versatility in styling, allowing for playful experimentation with different textures and lengths. From tousled bedhead looks to defined curls with added volume, the styling possibilities are endless, providing women with the freedom to express their creativity. Beyond its aesthetic appeal, the curly pixie cut embodies a sense of confidence and empowerment. By embracing natural curls and opting for a short hairstyle, women defy conventional beauty standards and embrace their authenticity. This bold and daring haircut symbolizes self-assurance and independence, inspiring women to embrace their individuality with pride. Whether styled casually for everyday wear or dressed up for special occasions, the curly pixie cut makes a bold statement that celebrates femininity and strength.